You will need 3 things: cheese, veggies, and 2 eggs for this recipe. To start, you will need a non-stick muffin pan. I am only using 2 of the slots. The other ones will be filled with water. So in your muffin pan, you will be adding your veggies or any kind of add-ins that you would like. I am using broccoli. I've already cut them up into small, bite-sized pieces. So you will use those broccoli florets to cover the bottom of each muffin insert that you're using. So because I'm only using 2, I will only fill 2 of them with the broccoli. Next, we will be using our cheese. We will go ahead and top our broccoli with the cheese. I do not go overboard with the cheese because I'm going to add more later. So I just put enough in there to cover the broccoli. If you are making this a non-vegetarian dish, be sure with your meats you cook them first before adding them to your muffin pan. Make sure they do not exceed over the muffin pan inserts, otherwise you will have more meat than eggs. Now that you have all your add-ins, you're going to go ahead and start adding the eggs. Now I do 1 egg per egg insert, so that means I will be using 2 eggs for this dish. So I put 2 eggs in our little bowl and then I whisk them together with a spoon. I find a spoon works well with mixing eggs for whatever reason, so I use a spoon. You can, at this point, you can put any seasonings in your egg mixture, but I opt to do that at the end. The only thing I put in my egg mixture is pepper, and you will see I will be using the McCormick brand pepper, and I'll just do maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon in there, but please add for your tastes. Everyone's taste buds are different, so if you need a little more, a little less, do so. But I only add pepper, and then any other seasonings I just add at the end. I find that salt hinders the flavor of the eggs. I'm not exactly sure why, but it does not have the same results as far as texture or taste when salt is added. So I add the mixture to the tin pans. You can see that one has a little more than the other. If that does happen, go ahead and just kind of spoon some of it out and place it into the other insert. But you want to have it to where the egg mixture does not exceed the muffin inserts. Otherwise, you'll have a really big mess on your hands. But once you have them both in the egg mixture, you are all set. Right now I am adding water to the empty tin pans just so it doesn't like burn or anything. I can't even remember why I did this. It was something that I've seen someone else do, and I thought I don't want to find out what happens if I don't add the water, so I just do. If you know nothing's happening, then go for it. Now you want to go ahead and add that last little bit of cheese that will top off your egg muffins before putting them in the oven. We went ahead and cooked these muffins on 300 for 10 minutes. They are all done. I went ahead and checked them about at the 7-minute mark, but they were all done at 10 minutes and they look gorgeous. They should have almost a spongy type of feel to them when they are touched on the top. I went ahead and paired my egg muffins with some salsa on top and some yummy taco seasonings. This salsa comes from Aldi's. There you go. You're welcome. It's so good and so cheap. So good. And if you need some breakfast ideas, I paired these egg muffins with my vegetarian chili and a bagel. Yes, some might say chili, but I live in Texas and this is not something uncommon to eat for breakfast. So my egg muffins with a little bit of taco seasoning, salsa, a bagel, and some vegetarian chili. Yumbo! It was good, okay? It was so good.